Good morning, CThompson here at BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you that just showed up a 2022 JX450 Fullhouse by DRV. This is a great morning and a great product. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. As well as call me, make an appointment. Come on in. Right at the doorway is our access panel to give us access to all the control, everything that operates in this coach with slides, tank monitors, temperature, thermostat for our heat and cold, the power control system, the Truma hot water heater, fuses and breakers, everything in one easy place. Really makes it nice. This has got the new interior colors. Beautiful, beautiful. Come on in and I'll show you the kitchen area here. Lots of storage. What they improved here is giving us some slide out trays in the cabinets. That's super, super nice. Soft touch closed cabinetry. Appliance garage. This is going to be a nice big one. We also have a plug-in inside to be able to plug in and just pull things out, use them, put them back away and not have to play with cords. Super nice feature. Little coffee nook here, if we want to call it that. More storage space down below, solid surface, nice solid backsplash there. Cabinets above, over and above, nice big refrigerator freezer. Nice island area. Lots of counter space in this model. So the JX450 is going to give us the island with more counter space. Nice big backsplash. The largest oven in the towable industry that I'm aware of. Full-size residential microwave convection. Tons of cabinets throughout again. Plenty of lights under and above. Lots of storage in the island. New sink. Check this sink out. This is a really nice sink. Double sink with a divider for rinse and wash, or however you want to do your dishes. With the nice fixtures that they're using, all residential type stuff. We get into the living room area. Nice big TV, fireplace, soundbar, beautiful entertainment area. TV swings out. We got storage behind the TV. Storage above, storage beside the fireplace, as well as a little area here as well, all soft touch. New flooring, beautiful flooring. I think they did a great choice there. Notice the theater seating, that's power. The MCD dual roller shades, the dinette table that pulls out, 2 more folding chairs in the closet, storage at the dinette area as well, solid surface countertops. This could be used as a desk area. Again, more cabinets above there. Nice ceiling height. Then we walk into the garage area that has its own sound system, metal cabinets, large TV, bunk beds above. We can make this bunk beds. We have a bed above. We have a dinette that comes down. We have a nice metal table that's movable, not a posted table. So we can go in or out on the patio. Got the big heavy D-rings. Got the nice insulated garage floor here. Storage for the rear step for the rear patio. Get out on the patio. We have the overhead awning, lights, 3-season patio doors on the garage. The gates for the little kids, dogs, or just privacy. Use it however you want. We don't have to have machines. We don't have to have toys. We use this area for whatever you want. Extra room, storage, office, whatever. You'll notice the sliding glass door here has the DRV insignia inside. Kind of makes it hard to see from outside in. Nice feature. Again, just privacy. Come on up into the bedroom area. Side aisle bathroom. We got the washer and dryer closet, or could be just made into a nice big extra closet if we're not doing washer and dryer. We got the fan, max fan above. We got more depth storage here. Nice vanity. Above medicine cabinet, below cabinetry. Nice sink, nice shower. Nice heavy duty door for the bathroom here on slider with a nice positive lock. Into the bedroom area with a privacy door here. Wardrobe slide out, TV. Lots of drawers here. We got 8 drawers, king size bed, storage above, individual lighting, individual 110s, individual USBs. Very nice setup. And one thing you got to see on this one, again, this just showed up, so it's going to have all the latest and greatest things. If you've been looking at the DRVs, the mobile suites, the full house, look down here at the floor. No step beside the bed. Eliminated the step, changed the framework a little bit. This is going to have all the newest stuff. Nice big still walk-in closet. Shelvings on each side. Plug-ins, cedar lined, lit. Very, very nice. With the pocket doors that are all mirrored. Looks very, very nice there. Nice solid step. That's a big 4-step by MoreRide. Very secure. Nice screen door with the storm windows in there and the screen. We can take those off, remove. Full power awning with a LumiGuard shield. Look at this new paint job. Isn't that beautiful? Large baggage doors up front for the pass-through storage. Nice, thick, heated, enclosed. Thicker walls than anybody else out there. Big furnace. Accessible, very easy for the long-term use and maintenance. We walk around. This is going to have the new front end. Guess what? This one has a generator. You notice a lot of the toy haulers out there on the market today, you're finding do not have generators because they're hard to get right now. This one has it. MoreRide pin box. The new redesigned front end with the pull-out tray that we can add 2 more batteries, have 4 total. This one's got the inverter for the refrigerator only. Can be set up with a larger inverter. Battery disconnect, your hydraulic systems. Nice 2-piece molded end cap. Solid flanges, double screwed. Nice big 40-pound bottle propane tanks on a pull-out tray. We have access here to control our hitch to unload and hook to the truck. We can see what's going on there, as well as back here to be able to level the unit if we want to as well. And again, more access here with the insulation, the copper manifold system, the Fullhouse filtration. These can be and set in motion sensor lights, or just on-off. Truma tankless water heater. Black tank and gray tank flush. All your control valves are inside an enclosed area there. 2x3, 2x6, another 2x6, triple stack box tube frame rails through. 17 5-wheel and tire. It's going to have disc brakes. Really great suspension for this unit. Dual tank systems, one for the gen, one for the pump station. This is a plug-in here to run our short cord. And we got our 12-volt pump system there. Side ladder for roof access. And then out to the patio on the downside, looking at it from outside in. You got the nice awning up top, LED light strip, patio with the step that's going to pull out here for easy access up onto. Little storage compartment there. We have our Sony marine grade sound system outside. Another power awning out off of this side. And when you just stand back, you got to tell me this has got to be the nicest color combination, interior colors that you've seen. This is a super nice full house by DRV. I'm very glad to have this product here on the lot. I really like the product. So if you have any questions, feel free to contact me direct. My name is CThompson at BISH'S RV in Junction City. You can reach me direct at 541-979-1770. Make sure you contact me. I'd be happy to talk to you about it.